tumbled leather.
All right, y'all, what's good? It's your boy, General 315, another sneaker review. I am back again. I got some heat for y'all. And today, man, we got the Maniére 4s on deck for y'all to see. This is an early review. The retail joint comes out November 17th, or it might have been pushed back to like the 23rd or 24th or something like that. I remember there was a couple joints floating around that wasn't the real one. It looked like the Paris Saint-Germain joints, and it had like some off-white sale colors on it, and they looked okay, but it wasn't this. This is way better. When this was revealed, I knew off top that this shoe was gonna be fire. It's definitely got some Jordan 4 Top Haze vibes, but it's got its own brown, purple coloration to it that really does hint back to the other Maniéres as well. It's kind of like one of those deep burgundies, you know what I'm saying? And it's really strange, but we'll jump into all of that. I really like this one. I just knew that it was gonna be dope. A lot of people was hating. Let's not skip that. A lot of people was hating, but I know when I saw the shoe that I was gonna get it. Before I get into breaking down the shoe and all of that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. All those things that everyone else says in their videos, please do that here. It really helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate you guys for that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all of the latest and greatest updates. You'll see my Reels page where you might see some stuff up on there that I have reviewed before and some stuff that's coming up that I haven't reviewed yet. But check out the Reels page because you'll get a chance to see kind of like a little sneak peek, like a 20-second little rotation of a shoe that you might not have liked before, and then, you know, seeing in a different light, you might like it. So check that out. And last but not least, make sure you guys follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. The Discord is popping. We got a really good community in there. We trade shoes with each other. We help each other find different avenues to get shoes. You know, there's a lot of different sellers and stuff like that that you can get scammed with, and we really try to protect people from scams. Join that Discord. The link is in the description, all right? So, I'm on your 4s. Super dope, man. I really like this. It's just that brown, I don't even know. It's that brown purple type color. It's kind of like a plum color, but I think on the box it's called like violet ore or something like that. I'm not really seeing violet on this. I guess the ore is kind of just like making it sound snazzy. It really does kind of look like some deep brown, like a chocolate, maybe German chocolate brown type. Very, very Travis Scott-esque, but definitely dope, all right? So let's just jump right into this joint. I don't want to spend too much time because I really wanted to show you guys the shoe. You can listen to me all day, but really you came for this. So very, very dope shoe. Look at this. Now, I don't know if the lighting is going to be the same, but just overall, this overlay, very, very nice. I'm not sure if this lighting is going to do it justice in here, but outside you kind of get like what the true light is of the shoe. It's definitely like a purplish type of brown color. You got it on the whole shoe. It's got a really nice nubuck suede on here, and you guys can see right there it's got some transition right there. I did have to brush these when they came in just to lift it up. You know, you got this little button right here, which looks nice. I'm glad that they left these wings the same color as the shoe. The cage is the same color as the shoe. I'm really digging the laces. You still get your A on the tag on one shoe, and then you get your Flight Jumpman on the other. I really like this oversized hang tag, this Maniére hang tag. I think it's pretty dope. Not bad. I don't wear hang tags on my shoes, but if that's kind of what you're into, this might be annoying. You see it's longer than the shoe itself, so, you know, you might have to like link it up here or something like that. So, and then we got a sail midsole with the black on top of that, and then we got on the outsole, we got some sail. We got a black, and then we got more of that violet ore color, and then we got that Nike Air on the back, and we got some other small details in the shoe as well that we will jump into as we go. All right, so let's take a closer detailed look right here. Right here, we got our toe box. Not bad. Not bad. It's a little boxy for me, but it's not that bad. It looks pretty good. I'm not really too disappointed with this one right here. Toe box is all right. We got some nice little suede vibes right here. You guys can see I am pushing that back and forth. Now, like I said, I'm not sure if it's gonna be super hairy, but look at that. You can see that right there. Definitely got some suede vibes in there. There's our waffles right there. The cage looks good. It is going the right direction. Right here, our cage right here is not too big. It's not oversized, so not bad at all. And then we have, you know, the sail midsole. Now it looks like we got some peeling right here. I don't know, you know, what that is about. It looks like some paint. Bad paint job right there. Then we got our air unit right here. Not bad. We do have a button right here, and it's got the Maniére A. It's definitely a metal button, so, but it's got the A in it. Not bad. It's cool. You know, something small, just a little addition to the shoe. I feel like that was an afterthought. Like they just thought maybe we can do something else, and they just put it there. But it is what it is. Heel tab of the shoes look pretty good. You got your Nike Air, and I like how it's kind of smoked out. I do like that. It looks pretty good like this. And this right here, this patch right here is lined up pretty well. So I like that. It's not too short and it's not too high. Behind the tag of the heel, it says it's about where you're going. And I think this other shoe says it's not about the shoes. So you got, it's not about the shoes, it's about where you're going, which I think is super, super dope. I like that. I like that little message right there. That's cool. This shoe didn't come with extra sets of laces. It came with the standard violet ore laces. And then right here, you got the Maniére with the flight. And then on the other shoe, you have your Jumpman right here logo with the flight. Now, his arm right here in this Jumpman logo looks a little crooked right there. It could have been better, but it is what it is. Medial side of the shoe looks pretty good. Nothing to complain about there. The cage is still going the right direction, so not bad. Outsole of the sneaker, you got that nice cream. You got your violet ore right there. You got the black Nike right there with the swoosh. Looks pretty good. I like this outsole. It's got some pretty good contrast to it, so not bad. The only thing is, this is gonna get so dirty. So if you don't want your shoes to get dirty like that, you might want to put like a sole protector or something like that on it. Standard shoe tree comes with these joints, so nothing spectacular there. Sock liner of the sneaker is all quilted, and it's pretty nice. It's like a satin, and it's nice and quilted. It's definitely comfortable. I have no complaints about it. Definitely a different feel on the ankle and around the foot though. You gotta get used to that quilted pattern because it's not gonna feel smooth. Insole of the shoe is a standard foam insole, but it's quilted. So this definitely feels a little different below your feet. It feels kind of like multiple little pillows underneath your feet. So I had to kind of get used to that when I put the shoe on. It did run true to size, but this right here was definitely different for me. You do have an Maniére tag right there, which looks pretty cool. So I do like that. That's nice. So overall, if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, you know, the shoe is definitely dope. It's kind of got some off-white vibes, got some Travis Scott vibes. Definitely a different feel for a shoe. I love the color though. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 for the color, I'm definitely gonna go with a 9. I love this color. I love the little hits of sail. I do like that a lot. Construction and materials, the materials were pretty good. I can't rate it against a retail because I don't have it and I've never seen the actual retail. I'll give it probably like an 8. It did have lead lines, so you know that kind of knocks the score down a little bit. It wasn't a lot of lead lines. It was like in the typical places around the cage and around the toe cage, so nothing too bad, but still the build was pretty good, so I have to give it like an 8. All right, so that's all I got for this one, y'all. Hope it was informative for y'all. I hope when this joint comes out, everybody can at least try and hit on a pair. I know this one's gonna be hard to get, but hopefully everybody can get a pair, and then we can all rock these joints out. So if you guys got any questions, hit us up in the Discord. I got your back in there. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.